Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. I just wanted to ask you a few questions, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, why did you go solar?
Well, I went solar because I'm tired of the electric cost, and so far it's working out great.
Amazing. What would you say was your favorite part throughout the process of going solar?
Well, the installation, I was not here, but everything that they said they were going to do, they did. And I was very pleased with the installation. And when I got home, I had 600 kilowatts already saved, and as of this year, I have 2,045 kilowatts saved, or banked. They call it banked in Pennsylvania.
Amazing. So, with all this being said, would you recommend any of your friends or neighbors to go with green home systems?
Absolutely.
Amazing, amazing. Well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you answering some of my questions today.
Okay.
Thank you.